Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is Tuesday. You regulars know what that means. Every other week, Epic Games gives away some free game dev stuff off the Fab Marketplace, and this Tuesday, no exception. This is the first asset we see in action. This is Sci-fi character. So this one is available for both Unity and Unreal Engine, but as you are going to see in just a second, spoiler alert, can work in other game engines as well. So even if you aren't using Unreal Engine only, pick these up, buy them. All you have to do is add them to cart and check out, and then they are on the Fab Marketplace for you to use forever. In this case, for the Fab Marketplace, you can also download it for Unity, as you can see right here. So that is a very cool thing about these assets. You can use them in other engines. Sometimes you're going to have to jump through extra hoops. Sometimes it's going to work directly in that engine. Unfortunately for this one, it is rigged when it comes to Unity, but no animations. But this one is, again, so let's go ahead and check out the walk cycle animation on this guy over here. So as you can see, you can export these out and use them, and you can do this legally in other game engines such as Godot. I have guides on how to do this available down below. In this case, I used the commercial Unreal to Godot plugin. Again, details of that are available down below, but it gives you an idea of what you're dealing with. Now, each one of these characters is customizable. So you see right here, this is one of the female variants, and you're going to notice the material set. There's two going on here. So you got tops and bottoms. So we can pick a different top and get a different result out of there. And we can pick a, oops, that was a top. That was a bottom. All right, so let's go pick a bottom right here. So there, and then you can pick the complementary character here. This would be a top, and then pick there, and then you can get a different character as a result. So I ironically picked the same look as the character beside it, but a highly customizable character model overall. Now the next one we've got here, this one is more of a biome. So this is a brushified desert and mountain biome. So let's go ahead and open that one up right here. Now, this one is mostly about like the brushes, etc. you would need to create this landscape, so the textures and the drawing brushes. And then there's a system here for adding rocks that comes with the rock meshes as well, and then a system for scattering these around your world. So it's a pack for creating biomes, in this case, a desert and mountain biome, you can see, to create what you see in front of you right now. It is nanite and lumen compatible. It also kind of illustrates something interesting with how these things work, is this one has both personal and professional licensing. It's an option available. I'll show you that on the website in just a second. But for this one, the price range is insane. I'm going to show you that there. So just pick up the professional. It's Epic Games paying for it, not you. So, hey, might as well pick up the one that's costs more, even though it may not make a difference to you. And we have one other example here, and it is the spell systems. Now, the problem is the spell system has a demo map in it, like so, but it's empty. So I can't demonstrate this one this way, but I can demonstrate it using the downloaded demo, which I have over here. So this is for adding spell systems to your game. It's implemented by like 20 plus blueprints. And you can see over here, I can one, and then I can do like a fireball, like a really casual underhanded toss fireball. Then we've got that one. You've got charge levels, so you can see I'm holding it down and it's making a bigger charge. You've got a mana bar, and then you've got other abilities here. So you got like AoE effects and personal shields and so on. So I think that one is going to be a boom, and then like so, and hit damage and so on. So if you want to add spells to your game, that's what this one is all about. For some reason, the demo map does not work on that one. I don't know what's going on there. By the way, if you are an Unreal Engine developer, there's also a number of bundles going on right now to be aware of. So you've got this one here. This one's for Unreal Engine packs from Lurtez, available on Gumroad. You get 15 assets here. It shows $99. Use the code SN70. It becomes $39.99. And then there's this one here for 5 packs. And it shows $49.99, but use the code SN40, it becomes $9.99, which is pretty awesome. There's also a couple of humble bundles of relevance to you. This one just launched, the Big Bang one, and then we've also got the Level Up, which is going to be over very shortly. But back to this one here. So to pick these up, what you do is you head on over to the Fab Marketplace. These will update, obviously, on June the 3rd, and what you'll see is the 3 that are available here. What you do, just come on in, pick your license. So again, you got personal or professional license. Again, this really just comes down to how much money you make. You can qualify for a cheaper version if you don't make a certain amount of income. But since it's Epic Games picking up the tab, hey, go pro. So if you ever end up making more money later on or whatever, you're covered. And again, it's them footing the bill, not you. So we got the 3 different assets here this week. We have the Ultimate Spell System. So here you can see again, it's either $68 or $104. So pretty big price range there. This one is all about setting up spells. So you got a ranking system, a level up system, strength, and so on. Cooldown, it's done. It's implemented via 23 different blueprints, as you can see over here. It comes with 6 sample spells, 7 sample animations going on, charging effects, damage, and so on. So you need to add a spell system to your game. This is basically a blueprint system for implementing that. Then we've got Brushify. This one, again, I told you there's a pretty extreme range in price. Personal, $34.30. Pro, $1,000.98. So yeah, that one's insane. So this one, again, is for creating a desert mountain environment. So you got a bunch of different things here ready to use. Level there, nanite and lumen compatible, a number of different alpha brushes, so 4 alpha brushes in 8K texture format, distance meshes, so 4 distance meshes for background mountains, you can see in the screenshot above, and then we've got brushified landscape auto materials here. That's probably like the heart of this one ultimately. So that includes everything here. Fully honestly, I don't know why this is a $1,000 asset pack, but hey, someone else is paying for it and not you. And then finally, we have the Sci-Fi Troopers pack, and this one, as you can see, is available for both Unreal Engine and Unity. That's the cool thing about this, is we're slowly starting to get more and more assets on Fab for other environments. Hopefully we get Godot added here at some point in the future, but right now you can get Unity and Unreal Engine assets. This one, again, once you've got it purchased, you can do a direct download. It downloads a zip file of the assets. Let me just go ahead and show you that. So right here, and then that one is, where'd you go? Character. I'm blind. Is it source? Okay, it's source. So what you see here is you get Unity asset package for the character. Each one of the characters, you import them into your scene, and you are good to go. Once again, you can export these things to work in other game engines if you wish. As you can see, this is our character exported to run in the Godot game engine. So it is definitely a possibility. And again, to do that, I use the Unreal to Godot plugin in this particular case. So ladies and gentlemen, that is this month's free stuff. It's kind of a mix. I'm curious what you ultimately think of what's here. Now, also, I would stay tuned today because it is the state of Unreal today. So we're probably going to have more announcements as well. So stay tuned for that. And let me know what you think. By the way, if you use my links for any of the bundles, it does help support me. And thank you very much for doing that. All right, that's it. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.